Hey guys, today in this video I show you how to format your SD card for the Osmo Action 3. I think it works also on all other cams like that. So only what you need to do, you first slide down with your finger from up to down, then you press on settings, and then you scroll down and you find their format and you click on it, then swipe to format, so you slide the slider and then you need to wait. And it should be clear now all data get wiped, so it's all erased, so that should be clear. So and now it is format, so now the SD card is ready to use. So that was all of that little video. So I hope it's helpful for you. And then see you next time, guys. So bye.